If you are a complete beginner sewer or somebody who hasn't sewn for a very long time and would like to rekindle their love for sewing, then this course is for you. The Beautiful Things Beginners Sewing course will take you step by step through making 3 wonderful projects: a lovely quilted box, a super cushion with a zip in the back, and a lovely fully lined tote bag. Not only will you make 3 fantastic things, you're going to learn lots along the way. We're going to start you out by talking about buying your very first sewing machine. We're then going to move on to teach you how to cut out fabric effectively and simply. And we're going to talk about all the tools that you may have already, you may want to invest in, and what you really need to sew and what you don't really need to sew. It's a great little course. You're going to thoroughly enjoy it. You're going to learn loads. We'll make sure all the details are down below so you can click on and find out more.